What's so special about Lakme Fashion Week?
Well, what's currently most special about Lakme Fashion Week is that they've chosen me to be a part of their this great platform. I'm showcasing this year as a designer, not as a showstopper or a model or any of that. What's special about this platform is I think Lakme owns fashion, and they've got tie-ups with the best designers from all over the country. And as we saw in the presentation a little while earlier, when you have a company like Lakme backing fashion, I think you can't go wrong with it.
But there are fashion weeks happening all throughout the year. So what's the uniqueness basically? I mean, if you in one line, if you can define.
There are many fashion weeks, but there are very few that are truly respected. This is one of them.
So what have attracted you to come to the fashion industry? I mean, from cricket to acting to theatre to right now fashion. I mean.
Well, I've been wearing sarees for the last 10 years, a lot. And sarees have somehow become associated with me, and so I decided to put together a collection, and I honestly started designing about 5 months ago. And I opened my own store, and the store is doing very well. Exhibitions are also doing well, and so I just applied, see if I could be a part of the emerging designer setup over here in Lakme Fashion Week, and I got selected to be a part of the main stage, and I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be a special show for me because this marks my debut.
Who are the designers you really admire as such? I mean, when it comes to.
I'm a big fan of Ritu Kumar. I've been wearing Ritu Kumar over the years. I've loved, you can tell Ritu Kumar from a mile. Her clothes, her garments have that signature style, and they're in shades that only belong to her, I think. And so I wore a lot of Ritu Kumar through my wedding, and she's always remained a favorite of mine.
How much fashion industry evolved in a decade as such, for the last 10 years, if you say?
Well, just by the number of fashion weeks that have, come up in, every year, that shows you how fashion has evolved. Fashion has become very important. So you have every kind of fashion week. You have resort fashion week. You have summer resort fashion week. You have, winter. I mean, apart from seasons, you also have different kinds of couture. Fashion weeks of different kinds of couture. So fashion has become, a very, very important part of our life.